Hi there, and welcome to another fantastic edition of Tech News from Africa. Today, we have an interesting lineup of stories in the world of technology, both locally and internationally. Here's a list of what to expect today. Facebook changes its name to Meta, sets a new course to refresh metaverse adventure. MasterCard set to allow crypto payments on its platforms. Stripe joins list of companies with interest in carbon removing mission. African-focused startup AutoCheck raises $13.1 million. Hit the subscribe button to get more latest videos from our channel. Thank you. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has officially introduced Meta to the world at Facebook Connect 2021 conference, which was live on the social networking platform. Amongst the highlights of the night was the announcement by Mark that Facebook has been renamed to be called Meta. Meta will be the corporate identity of the social networking company behind Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus going forward. According to the CEO, he said we will effectively transition from people seeing us as primarily being a social media company to being a metaverse company. Don't forget that you can always visit our website on www.techbytes.com for more tech news in and around the world. Global payment company MasterCard has announced a deal with cryptocurrency firm Bracket, which will make cryptocurrency options available to banks and merchants across its payment platforms. MasterCard has previously announced it will allow its customers to conduct transactions on its website using selected cryptocurrencies. According to the payment company, banks on its global payments network will be able to provide cryptocurrency incentives for users using their credit and debit cards. It also says customers will be able to use their crypto holdings to pay for products and store digital assets on Bracket's platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and hit the notification button for subsequent videos. Payment startup Stripe International has announced that it is now joining other giant companies to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by signing up for carbon removal technologies. According to the company, it has made plans to form a partnership with a London investment firm, Deep Sciences Venture, which builds technology companies from the ground up. Deep Sciences Venture will enlist the help of scientists to devise new methods for removing carbon dioxide from the environment. If they come up with viable concepts, Stripe will be their first customer. It will pay DSV startups $500,000 each upfront to capture and store carbon, then a further $1 million if they meet performance milestones. According to Stripe's head of climate, there are just too few companies that are even attempting to build a permanent carbon removal at the scale needed, and we need more shots on goals. Stripe is not the only company potentially trying to limit the damage of global warming. Big companies like Microsoft and Shopify are also paying tech startups to remove carbon from the atmosphere. African-based tech startup AutoCheck has raised $13.1 million. The round was co-led by previous investors TLCom Capital and 4DX Ventures. Launched in October 2020 and founded by Icot Ekpe, former co-founder and CEO of Cas45. AutoCheck presently operates in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, and Cote d'Ivoire. This round comes after a $3.4 million proceed in November 2020. The funding will be deployed to improve the platform's loan financing model for car purchases and boost growth in its recent expansion into Cote d'Ivoire, with Egypt and South Africa in view. And there you have it. Thanks for watching today. Before I go, don't forget to visit our website on www.techbytes.com and get notified for more amazing videos like this. Just make sure you hit the notification button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hi there.